And we were all giving them a guard of honor when they were coming. Each of them broke down, each of us broke. The boxers, a lot of them have told me that the Italian trip was a disaster, that they did not get proper food. Gun tha, shooting tha, मैंने मारा, यहाँ भी मारा, हाँ ठीक है हार गया तो फर्क क्या पड़ता है, next Olympic जीत जाऊँ. Then somebody said Bharat Mata ki next to us and he said Jai. So the IOC officials were like, what's happening here? We were chanting Bharat Mata ki and he was saying Jai. So we were jammed. Subscribe to the channel back up because this is all for sport.
Hello and welcome to Sports Addiction. Today we have with us, you can say the star of the whole Olympics coverage. Buryada, you were literally every day. Every interview.
I was trying to be.
Every interview, every sport, you came up with the first news.
Yeah, and you were the back end. So you know the story. And Trisha at 3 o'clock in the morning, get me a Zoom link. I'm in the middle of the road in Japan with the policeman telling me, what are you doing in the middle of an emergency? Go, go. And you're like, arigato gozaimasu, I'm a media person. So,
I know, but Buryada, on a serious note, this was our most successful Olympics. What do you think was the standout of the whole Olympics? If you have to say one moment, apart from the Neeraj gold medal.
Structure. So far, what has happened in Indian sport with an Abhinav, even to a degree with Rathore was army, was these people came up through the ranks because of individual brilliance. Now we have structure. So if you see, you have 7, but you could have easily got 14. Because if you see Saurabh Chaudhary, 586 in qualification, what that does tell you? It tells you that he had peaked at the right time. Now, somebody who can shoot a 586 in qualification, 70 top shooters of the world, yes, did not have a great final, but 586 is no joke, it's an Olympic record. So 23 minutes, and I was sitting right behind Saurabh Chaudhary, so I know what I'm talking about. It was bang, bang. I mean, so that was one. Clearly, last 10 seconds, Deepak Punia, the hockey girls, Chirag and Satvik, 2 important matches, including beating the gold medalists and losing out. So if you count and go down one by one, you will see you could have easily crossed 10 plus. Now this is because of a structure. What is the structure? People are not giving adequate credit to the government, the top scheme, the NSDF scheme, and the synergy with private players, JSW, GoSport, OGQ, etc. For the first time in Indian sport, Olympic sport, under Kiran Rijiju, now our Anurag, we have a proper structure in place. Because of this structure in place, and that's the top scheme, right? The top scheme, the NSDF, whatever it is, and give a lot of credit to SAI and the Sports Ministry, plus the private players, there is a synergy. This momentum, Trisha, will not stop. It cannot stop, because now in Panipat, people want to be a Neeraj Chopra. In Assam, people want to be a Lavlina. In Nagaland, somebody wants to be a Meera Chand. This momentum now will not stop, because you don't need those individuals. You have a structure where you can go, so the structure will push you there. That's the one fundamental change. We did not go there to compete. We went there to win.
Perfect. But you spoke about a number of, so near yet so far moments. Which was the most heartbreaking for you?
Hockey. Because the hockey girls won. Frankly, I did not know Aditi Ashok that well. So it was a heartbreak for sure. And I was in the golf course, I saw it myself, one stroke. But the hockey girls, I had propped them up in a sense. I mean, Rani Rampal, I'll tell you this publicly. Rani Rampal, on the start day of the Olympics, she and I were chatting. And I said, Rani, one of my, and I can show you the messages. You are one of my favorite athletes. And she wrote to me, Sachin. And I'm like, yeah. She said, aap Sachin means hockey follow karte ho, and are you telling me the truth? And I said, yes, I'm telling you the truth. You know, these are so humble, top athletes, Rani, Savita, Vandana, Nisha, Gurjeet, and Shaun Marina, very, very good friend of mine. So all said and done, the hockey girls, there was a personal kind of thing. I had followed Australia, I had followed that Argentina game, I had followed that England game, 2-3, sort of, rather 2-0 down to 3-2. That was a real heartbreak, and all of us, I mean, the men's team was standing like this. So Mark, take it, this is the stadium, okay? So one had to turn, go right, extreme right, go down the stairs, and then there was the mix zone. So the mix zone was like this rectangular area. The players would get out and then come right through the mix zone and go to the dressing room. So where we would all line up. So the lineup was the men's hockey team and the media. And we were all giving them a guard of honor when they were coming. Each of them broke down, each of us broke. And it was a surreal feeling. All of us were crying, all adults. I asked Coach Marina, saying, you may not have won the medal, you won hearts, and $1 billion at that, you've made a difference. And he broke down, all of us broke down. It was a fantastic moment. And Rani kept saying, Sir, humne sab de diya. Sir, humne sab de diya. Savita was inconsolable. That obviously is the moment which I will forever remember that I will want to change.
And talking about moments that you would like to change, who among like our boxers, some of our wrestlers were huge disappointments. Somewhere, Boryada, in this Olympics, the medals that we expected, we didn't get them.
Always happens. If you think London, Vijay was not one medal you expected.
True.
Yogeshwar was not one medal you expected. You expected Sushi. You expected Yogeshwar in Rio, not in London. You expected Gagan. You expected Abhinav. You didn't expect Vijay. Vijay got you a silver. Yogeshwar got you a bronze. Many you expected. But if you really go down London, you had 3 from unexpected quarters. Rio, you didn't expect a Sakshi, you didn't expect a Sindhu. Saina was your main thing. Sindhu got the medal. But here in Tokyo also, for example, Vinesh, all of us expected a medal. But from what I now know from Brijbhushan Singh Sharad, the president of the WFI, he and I were on the same flight together. We spent hours and he was telling me in detail that Vinesh refused to stay with the Indian team. Vinesh refused to practice with the Indian team. Vinesh refused to wear the Indian jersey. Now, if these things are true, they've already suspended her. They will launch an inquiry. I mean, they have asked her to reply to the show cause. Then it's not right. I mean, indiscipline cannot be tolerated, Trisha, whoever you are. So that's another cause. I mean, we have spent a lot of money. Now there has to be accountability. So, where is the money? How is it being spent? You just can't give an athlete because he or she is a star athlete whatever money he or she wants. So that's a problem. The boxers, a lot of them have told me that the Italian trip was a disaster, that they did not get proper food in Italy. I have not said these things yet, but one has to investigate. Santiago, Niva and Rafael, the 2 high-performance directors. I had a chat with Ajay Singh in Tokyo also. There has to be accountability. If your high-performance director says that your top boxer, i.e. Pangal, is tired after 3 minutes and will inevitably lose, how is that acceptable? He's your top boxer, he has to fight 9 minutes, not 3. So these are moments that India needs to introspect. The 7 could easily be 15 in Paris, provided there is introspection.
True. And one player whom you would pick up as a dark horse,
See, I think the next big star is Saurabh Chowdhury. I mean, I've seen that fellow. Then I asked him, was there Olympic pressure? He said, sir, क्यों pressure होगा? Youth Olympics में भी वही था, range था, target था, bullet था, gun था, shooting था. मैंने मारा, यहाँ भी मारा. ठीक है, हार गया तो फर्क क्या पड़ता है? Next Olympic जीता.
So he came 7th.
And that mixed event, the way he shot, Manu unfortunately was not at her best. But Saurabh is a rock star. I mean, somebody who can shoot 23 tenors consecutively and 28 inner tens. Phenomenal talent. He is the next big star from India. This Olympics didn't win. Abhinav won his third attempt. Bank on Saurabh for Paris.
Okay, so among talking about the winners, did you expect, I for one know because we have had many chats, that you were expecting a medal from Neeraj? Not the gold one, especially with what Better has done. But did you feel that because you were in the stadium? What was the feeling in that stadium?
Unbelievable. I've actually written a piece in this week's India Today magazine. I mean, I was 10 meters from Neeraj. He was there. I was here for the podium. It was 10 meters. So I was standing there and a couple of journalists, 3-4 of us had lined up. I had the national flag. So I was waving the national flag and he was waving at me. And I said, medal utha lo. So he picked it up. And he said, kiss karo yaar, dekhne to do. And he kissed it for us. Then somebody said, Bharat Mata Ki next to us. And he said, Jai. So the IOC officials were like, what's happening here? We were chanting Bharat Mata Ki and he was saying Jai. So we were jamming from there and the podium. This was unreal. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. Then he comes for the mid zone and somebody asked one of us only that what does this mean to you? And he said, "Ye medal mere liye sab kuch." Then in the press conference, I was the translator and he said I was this chubby kid, the fat kid who was sent to this athletic arena by his father. मैं वहाँ भाला देखा, मैं थोड़ी जानता था कि ये मेरा life बन जाएगा. So it was one of those guys. Terrific. I mean, what an incredible story.
Actually, for our viewers, I want you to tell me the medal story of Ravi Dahiya, the one that you just said.
He's an incredible guy. Ravi Dahiya, you are a star boss, Ravi. Ravi came and everything Ravi says is Dekho ji. He's a sweet guy. So Ravi comes to the mix zone and we are like, Ravi, aapko silver मिला है, Dekho ji. gold medal, and he was upset. He said, Ravi, silver हमारे देश में कितने को मिलते हैं?
He didn't smile at all.
Not at all. And somebody said to us, I mean, in fact, one of my colleagues said, यार इसको देखो, इसको देख के लगता है तो
हाँ, exactly.
सिल्वर मिला है, इसको तो देख के लग रहा है फर्स्ट राउंड में हार गया. So I'm like, Ravi, थोड़ा स्माइल तो कर दो यार, सिल्वर मिला है तुम्हें. Then after about 3-4 minutes of the chat, it dawned on me, where is the medal? He's not wearing the medal. So I said, Ravi, medal कहाँ है? Medal तो पहनो. So he takes out the medal from his pocket and said, लीजिए. And all of us started laughing. He was giving the medal to us, and instead of wearing it, he said, ये लीजिए. It was bizarre what Ravi Dahiya was doing. I'll tell you another story. PV Sindhu gave me her matches. So I said, PV, give me the jersey. She's like, oh, I said, what do you give? And Sindhu is a darling.
Yeah,
Sindhu is one of my best friends and somebody I've seen grow. She's a superstar, rock star.
And she's a very, very good human being. Like I was just telling you, right? In an interview, she comes backstage and she starts speaking to me as if I know her for years.
She's a rock star. She's a sweetheart.
Yeah.
So I said, give me the jersey. I said, what? With sweat. Give me the jersey. Sign karo aur do. And she's telling Dipanjali her physical. What happened? It's a perfume. Put the perfume on the jersey and gives it to you. Amazing. I mean, Sindhu, what a rock star athlete she is.
Because, yes, I have one question about Sindhu. You have followed Sindhu for a long time. Rio Sindhu and Tokyo Sindhu.
She's a much better athlete. Physically, she's a much better player. Had it not been for Tai, nobody would have beaten her. Even Tai's doing that net court 18-17. This Sindhu, the way she beat Yamaguchi, the way she beat Yu Bingjiao, she was in top shape. She was in top shape.
Were you backing the men's hockey team for a medal?
I, in fact, even backed them against Belgium because in the last two attempts they've beaten Belgium. They toured Belgium. And until the third quarter, they were equal for equal. I mean, if you see, they were going gum. So the point is, this team is one of the fittest in the world. They do 22 in the yo-yo test, 21-22. So that's the kind of fitness these guys have. PR, Srijesh, Manpreet, Rupinder Pal, Harmanpreet is their top side. Indian hockey can only, my request to Dr. Batra is send a young team to the Commonwealth. Because you cannot peak twice in 30 days. Asian Games is within 30 days. Send a young team to the Commonwealth, take the Asian Games, and this cycle is a 3-year cycle, not a 4-year cycle for the Olympic Games. So Paris is only 3 years away. So you've got to peak for Paris and make sure that bronze becomes a silver. Now the whole country has gotten behind.
True. Mirabai Chanu. All of us expected a medal from her, and she actually delivered. She never looked nervous. She just looked like she belonged there. She was there to win.
And what a story. I mean, as a young kid, she would carry logs on her head and bring the logs. Her village is 22 kilometers from Ufa. And her mother used to see those and say, hey, you're a kid, you are able to carry such weight on your shoulder, your head. So maybe there's a weightlifter in you. That is a uniquely Indian story. And Meera Chanu, from there to a gold medal, she had it all painted. And thereafter comes back and has a meal sitting on the floor with that same one room and then meets the truck drivers. If this is not India, then what is?
Before I let Boryada go, 2 more questions. One about Lavlina, because I again know he was following Lavlina. And the other one would be, what do you think is the roadmap to Paris from now?
Good question. Lavlina, the best part is her village didn't have a Pakka road. Now they have it. Thanks to Lavlina Borgohain, they have a Kacha road done already into Pakka. And she was the boxing star. She said she'd given it her all against the Chinese Taipei. So she was, my job is done. So, and Busana Sulmanelli is a top boxer. Busana Sulmanelli is just in a different league. But Lavlina Borgohain will go from strength to strength. Paris, I think the 7 can become 15 if not 20, provided we have structure too. We have money, which was necessary. We now have the country behind it. Think about it, cricket series is on. One of us did cricket, we were all doing Olympics. Why? Because the media was consuming sport. People were consuming sport. Facebook data shows India was the highest consuming country for the Olympics. What does this tell you? It tells you that Olympics has captured national imagination. You know what? Once that happens, there's no stopping. There's no stopping. And India will only get better and better and better from here on. Because the train has left the station. Now you can't stop it. So obviously, Paris will be my 5th games as a journalist to cover.
Will it be my first game?
It will be your first game, so you come with me to Paris. And we'll go up to the top of Eiffel Tower.
Now you are promising in front of everyone.
Yeah, I said to you in the past also.
Yeah.
Let's go to Paris together.
Absolutely.
And it's a great city. I mean, it's a terrific city. We've got to be careful of pickpockets at the Louvre. So that's a big problem in Paris. But great food, a great city, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. And Trisha and I will be at the top of Eiffel Tower in the story.
Absolutely perfect. Thank you so much, Goriada. Obviously, I keep catching up with you, but I thought everyone should know because this games was very, very different from the
It's
other
most
games.
difficult games. I mean, every day COVID test, I've always told my daughter don't spit, and the amount I spit. I mean, every day we were given these cylinders and wanted to fill half the cylinder with your spit. It was disgusting, but one had to do it because that was the COVID test. So if Aisha henceforth tells me, Baba, I will spit, I'm like, yeah, do your work.
So, with all this, the way you covered, the tenacity that you have, the amount of like at 3-4 a.m. he was at the road waiting for the interviews. I learn every day from him. You guys now know a lot about the athletes thanks to him, and thank you so much, Goriada, for joining.
We'll do Paralympics with equal gusto.
Absolutely.
That's a promise
Absolutely.
on all public platforms that Paralympics we will do it with equal gusto. Subscribe to Trisha's channel, Sports Addiction. This is one platform. She's a nut. She's a complete sports nut. We work together every single day. She's actually wearing an Olympics t-shirt.
Yeah, sorry.
There it is, the Olympics t-shirt. She's a rock star. Subscribe to the channel, back up, because this is all for sport.
Thank you so much. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.